Stamp out stagnation in your life with these tiny changes. Is everything starting to look the same? When we've grown stagnant in our lives, it frequently starts out looking like routine. Every day takes on a sameness with nothing startling. Expectations level out. While this makes for a calm life, here's where the problems arise. There's no growth, no change. Things can't get better when you're stuck in the status quo. If this sounds like you, it's time to stamp out stagnation. Start by making these tiny changes to bring excitement back into your life. Turn off the TV. TV is the greatest tool of stagnation ever invented. When you're watching someone else's life, real or imaginary, you tend to forget how to live your own. By turning off the TV, you're allowing your own story to take center stage. Take the long way around. Used to always taking the same route to work or school? Today, why not take a few extra minutes and try another route altogether? Explore the neighborhood, take the parkway, find a new shortcut. Make a note of any unusual spots along the way you might want to explore later. Remember, we all tend to collect souvenirs and mementos of our lives. Take a few minutes to revisit the best of these memories. Enjoy old photo albums or scroll through the images on your phone. Allow yourself to pause as you revisit the past. Create something. Feeling creative? Visit your local store for art supplies or crafts and pick up some goodies to get you going. Draw a picture, write a poem, take up knitting. There is nothing that wakes up a brain quicker than the act of creating something new. Take a culinary adventure. Have you always wondered what falafel tastes like? Or sushi? Try eating out somewhere new, or order something from the menu you've never tried before. Or, if you're really wanting to push your boundaries a bit, try creating a new recipe at home. Volunteer. Nothing erases a rut faster than putting your attention off yourself and onto someone else. Volunteering both takes you out of your comfort zone and benefits someone else, creating a win-win situation all around. Short on ideas? Visit people in hospice or nursing homes. Walk dogs at your local animal shelter. Or try your hand at building something amazing through an organization such as Habitat for Humanity. Celebrate the day. Did you know every day on the calendar represents something? For example, January 12 is National Marzipan Day. Who knew? Find out what today is and do something to celebrate. Visit nationaldaycalendar.com. By actively trying new things and doing things differently, stagnation doesn't stand a chance. Use these ideas to help create some of your own. The main thing is to get out there and try. Do this much and you're already a winner.